Alright, here's my steamed chicken. First of all, we shall top it up with the fried ginger.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make a steamed chicken but with some special fried ginger slices. And I have some bentong ginger with me. We're going to make some special unique ginger slices using this. So I've cut off the chicken into bite sizes, big chunks, yeah, and then put it onto a steaming plate. This is approximately close to 1 kg, yeah, close to 1 kg of chicken here. And after which I'm going to give it some fine salt. Then we can put it into the steamer. Alright, next thing you need to prepare your steamer. Let me see, I'm going to use the high temperature and 确认 steam it for approximately 25 minutes. Approximately 25 minutes should be okay. And right, our steamer has been preheated. I'm going to put this in. By the way, I actually added a bit of Shaoxing wine into the chicken, yeah? For those who don't mind taking the Shaoxing wine. So let it cook by itself and let's go and prepare the ginger. Alright, next thing, you take a piece of ginger here and you use a spoon, yeah? Use a spoon to scrape off the skin. Then we shall actually use the back of your knife. Now let's try the small one, yeah? Use the back of your knife to actually hit it. You really want to smash it, yeah? Basically you want to smash it. Until you see all this, and you don't want to cut it. You just want to smash it. You want all this ginger residue. Yeah, what you really want is the ginger residue. Maybe it's easier to cut it into smaller pieces to do, because if it's too big, then it's not that easy for you to crush it. Right? So you want to crush your ginger like this. Okay? Don't cut because you want to remain the texture, yeah? Keep the texture. You just crush it. This is actually the back of the knife, yeah? Either you use here or you use here. Don't use the sharp part, yeah? Don't cut it. So that you get to keep the texture of the ginger itself, see? So once you have crushed your ginger, the next thing you can do to make your fried ginger easier is you can actually put it inside a small bag or use your palm to squeeze out the ginger water. Just squeeze out the ginger water, yeah? You want to keep it dry so that later it's actually easier for you to fry. Right, next thing, prepare a wok or pan. Give it a little bit of oil here. Heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, you can then put in the ginger, which you already tried to remove some of the liquid, yeah, inside the ginger. So if you don't remove the liquid, then it will definitely take longer for you to fry the ginger here. And basically it should probably take a few minutes for you to do this. And you want to fry this until it is crispy. Some people will choose to use deep fry. I think can also. So you need to keep on stirring until everything becomes crispy. So what would be the difference between crushing the ginger and also cutting the ginger into thin slices? Well, it is the mouthfeel. The moment when you bite the ginger, that actually tastes differently. No right or wrong, just Appa want to show you something different today, so that to make our home cooking life more interesting. This is only about 1 minute and it's already started to turn brownie. Yeah, so you need to keep on stirring it so that it will not get chao da. Yeah. Now another trick is you may not want to use too high heat. Okay, use either medium or medium low for this purpose. Especially when you start seeing it's becoming brownie already. This is like 50% becoming brownie. I already turn it to a low fire right now, so that it will not get chao da. Yeah? Let's continue slowly pan frying this. This is only about between 2 to 3 minutes, very fast. Very, very, very fast. Almost there already. Yeah, we're almost there. So definitely will take less than 5 minutes. Right, this is only about 3 minutes plus. I would say about 80% already becoming brownie, except for the few pieces which is slightly larger. So I will think it's good enough. I'm going to off the fire. Actually, I'm now on very low heat, okay? And I'm going to season this with a little bit of salt, fine salt, on the ginger itself. So if I don't tell you, you would have thought this is fried onion. It's actually fried ginger. All right, it's done. Just open the steamer, let the steam release. Then we carefully, wow, I can see all the nice chicken juices coming up. All right, here's my steamed chicken. First of all, we shall top it up with the fried ginger. I think my fried ginger will look better if I don't cut it into smaller pieces just now. Yeah, the longer it is, you will get a longer ginger slices. I'm not going to just finish with the ginger. I'm going to top it off with some fried garlic as well. All right, super fragrant. All right, so here's my steamed chicken with fried ginger, right? If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Home cooking can be very easy. All right, bye-bye.